Go ahead. To do something after getting permission to do it. Example, may I tell you something? Yes, go ahead. Go away. To leave a place or person. Example, he angrily told him to go away and stop bothering her. Go back. To return to doing something. Example, after dinner, he went back to sleep. Go around. To visit someone or a place that is near. Example, I went around to the post office. Go down. If a price, level, or amount goes down. Example, income from sales tax went down. Go up. If a price, amount, or level goes up. Example, the cost has gone up to $1.95 a minute. Go through. To be officially accepted or approved. Example, the business deal finally went through. Go over something. To check something carefully for mistakes. Example, my boss goes over each report in detail. Go for something. To like or prefer someone or something. Example, which ice cream do you like? I will go for strawberry. Go on. To continue an activity, especially after a pause. Example, if you go on bad performance, you will lose your job. Go off. To make a sudden loud noise. Example, I woke up when my alarm clock went off. Go in. To enter a room, house, etc. Example, let's go in, it's getting cold. Go out. To leave your house to go to a social event. Example, she is going out for enjoyment. Go under. To sink below the surface of some water. Example, the crowd watched as the ship went slowly under. Go by. To move past, in space or time. Example, hardly a day goes by when I don't think about her.
Thanks for watching and subscribe our channel for more videos.